Good morning, all first semester students. Well, a hearty welcome to the Konika BBA and BCA College Bijapur. Well, as per our schedule, so we had to continue our classes. The model number 5th, that is the last model of principles of marketing. So yesterday we have discussed about that promotion mix means what. So promotional is nothing but as a what manufacturer or a marketer they are doing several products. They are whatever the manufacturing of several different product that they have to inform to the customer or they have to inform to the market through the ad and all. This is called as a promotional mix. Today we have to know about that. What are those promotional tools? Tools of promotions. Suppose you want to make promotion of your product. So you want to give a introduction of your product or know about your product to the customer. There are some tools are there. Through that tools, they have to be giving a promotional to the customers. What are the sales promotional tools or promotional tools? Both are the same. There are three promotional tools are there. That is the number one. Nothing but as a consumer sales promotion tools, dealer, trade, middleman promotional tools, and then sales promotional tools. There are three tools a marketer or a manufacturer, a businessman, they are using for the promotion of their products. What are those? First one we had to know about that consumer sales promotion. Completely they will be concentrated on the consumers. So consumers how they have a promotion in the consumer field? That is the first they have to give a offers. Different offers in the price they are given and attract the consumer. Through that they will be sell their products. You take example of Flipkarts, Amazons and all. Recently they have to be given as a big million sales. In that they are given lot of offers to the customers and all this. And this is the best example of consumer sales promotion. Through that they are selling and making a promotion of their products. There are two things they are given. One, they are selling their product. Second, they have to promote their product and all. Advertising and selling, both they are doing in that through the offers. If you are to give a good offers to the customer for the product, and the customer will be immediately they accept the price what they are putting and all this, and immediately they are sending to the orders and all this thing. This time in Bijapur, at a time they are given 14,000 orders they have to be. Yesterday they are collected. So how I have to collect this information? Through the Flipkarts people, those who are selling in the door to door. I asked them in this big billion sale how much you got the order, sir. We got the order of 14,000 only one day. That type of the order. See that how many days you have to be calculated. This is nothing but as a best example of consumer sales promotion. This is also a one type of tools to the promote of your product, and side by they are selling the product. That is nothing but as a through the offer they are given, and the price also is there. Price means they have been giving a coins and all the same coins they are giving. So in next purchasing they will give a discount and all this thing. Like that there are so many schemes they have been introducing for the consumer purposes. Through that they are selling more and more their product, and also they are promoted to sell of their products and all this thing. That is nothing but as offer and price. This is the first and important tools of the sales promotion is that through the consumer they have to promote their product and all. This is the one. Second one is the dealer, trade and middleman. Second tools they are using by a marketer or supplier is through the dealer, middleman and the trade. There are three people they are using for the making of the promotions. That is one is dealer. So under that dealer they are given for the sales promotion. What they are given to the dealers? It is allowance. Allowance they are given. If you are to buy these products or quantity of the product, they will give some allowances. Or if they are selling good target or or target they have to achieve, they are giving allowances for the dealer and the trader and the middleman, that they are giving for the sales promotion purposes. Allowance they are given, and then free goods also. So in this dealers, middleman, trade, they are giving free goods. Suppose if you have to buy a 10 product or 20 product, one product it will be free. That is the free goods and all this thing. That type of they have to make schemes and they are selling in the market. That is also nothing but as a one type of promotion, and also the selling promotion also it will come through the dealers. And then next it will come advertisement. Free of cost advertisement they are giving. When you are taking a dealership, sometimes the marketer or the supplier or manufacturer, what they are doing, completely advertising expenses they are incurred by the company people, or sometimes they are the company people, or they are divided into two. Half price they will pay the marketer and half price they will give the dealers. Like that, depend upon their condition, terms and conditions and all this. That is also be nothing but as a promotional sales tools is that. Through that, the dealer will be very happy about the advertisement, freely advertisement they are given and all this thing. People they are coming from the company and they are promoting their products and all this thing. That is one advantage it will be get by the dealers or middleman, or it will be a trader. They are getting allowances and also the free goods, and then advertisement also they are giving, and the display, whatever the materials it will come for the display, the company will be incurred by that. So these are the nothing but as a, that is nothing but as a motivated to the dealer, middleman and the traders. Due to that, sales it will be increased. So that is nothing but as a second one. Third one we have to know about that sales force. Sales force it will be nothing but as sales promotion. So sales promotion is nothing but as the sales for those who are working in the dealers or the company, their sales person or sales representative or sales executive or sales officer, they are getting their bonus. If they have to make work is good or competency work, or they are showing their best work in their jobs and all this thing, they are getting a bonus from the company on the target basis they have to work. So that also will be nothing but as a sales promotion, that it is a nothing but as a tools. Here there are a three tools they are using by the marketer. One is for the consumer, they are given benefit to the consumer and benefit to the dealer, trader, middleman, and the next benefit it goes to the sales force promotions. So these are the tools they are using by the marketers and all this thing. Due to that, our sales promotion it will be increased, sales will increase, advertisement will increase, awareness of the product in the market it will be increased, everything it will goes on the good side and all this. So that is why a marketer always they are selecting which are the best tools they are using for the making of their products and all this thing. So today you have to remember, suppose the questions it will arise, what are the sales promotion tools? You have to write consumer sales promotion tools, dealers, trader, middleman sales promotion tools, and sales force sales promotional tools. They have to be given by the bonus, in the face of bonus, here in the allowances, display, advertisement, free goods, and the consumer offer, price and all this thing. So these are the points you have to remember when the examination, suppose the 5 marks questions it will become, you have to write all these things. So tomorrow we will continue, later on we will be meet. Okay, take care, thank you.